Hey guys, today's video is an introductory video to tort. What is a tort? A tort is a civil wrong that causes a claimant, a plaintiff, to suffer loss or harm. It is different from criminal law where the state is actually going after the defendant. So torts may be categorized in several ways with particularly common division between negligent and intentional torts. Negligent torts means negligent wrongs that are not done purposely. Intentional torts are torts that are done with intention. Okay, you purposely do it to cause loss or damage to the plaintiff. Common torts include negligence, nuisance. Nuisance means you, for example, you play the radio or music at a high volume every night, or to disturb your neighbors, or you allow the apples on the apple tree on your house to keep falling on your neighbor's property. That's another form of nuisance. Trespass. Trespass means going on someone else's land, okay, without their permission. Defamation. Misrepresentation. Misrepresentation means to lie to someone, to trick him. There are also economic torts, for example, inducing breach of contract, which I shall discuss in a later video. And there's also the tort of intimidation, which may take the form of two or three party interference. In a case involving three parties, A threatens B with the purpose to cause loss to C. Where there are only two parties, A makes an unlawful threat against B to cause loss to B. Another common tort would be the tort of conspiracy. An example would be conspiracy by unlawful means. That means you, for example, you commit a tort of intimidation. You intimidate someone, you threaten someone, or you procure a breach of contract. That would amount to a conspiracy by unlawful means. There has to be a scheme between two or more persons to commit crimes that involve the use of violence or fraud or dishonesty. Another economic tort, unlawful interference with trade, where a person intentionally injures another by using unlawful means, okay, against a third party. For example, if A commits an unlawful act, unlawful act which affects C with the intention to injure B. Okay, A does something, an unlawful act to C with the intention to injure B, and then such conduct does in fact result in damage to B. That will be unlawful interference with trade. Another common tort will be the tort of defamation. For defamation, it essentially means making false statements to embarrass or humiliate another person. So the statement must be defamatory in nature, it has to be false. The statement must specifically refer to the plaintiff, the person who is suing, and the statement has to be published. So thanks for watching this introductory video on torts. I'll be going into detail on the individual torts in separate videos.